Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we're going to see a rustic contemporary on just under 6 acres. Let's take a look. Beautiful skylights enhanced with natural light in this kitchen with custom cabinetry and a wonderful gas cooktop. Great dedicated laundry, there's an ironing board built in, and great storage. This is one of the family rooms. It has a wet bar, fireplace, and access to the kitchen. One of the unique features, there's a wine cellar, but it's hidden and it's below this sliding cabinet downstairs. There are several areas that are perfect for studies or hobby spaces. Breakfast nook with a view of the Zen garden. The primary suite on the main has great views of the hillside. There are 4 bedroom suites in this home, 2 on the main, 2 up, plus an extra half bath. I like the flexibility of this recreation room. It has a multi-purpose vibe, a wet bar, built-in bookcases, and multi-purpose space behind. I love this earthy contemporary. The 70s was great. It inspired lots of great wood paneling, and this is the stairway in the back up to the upper level suites. This bedroom suite has access to a patio for a yoga meditation space. This upper level marble bath has a beautiful view from the Jacuzzi of the hillside. This secondary suite has a vaulted ceiling, a built-in ladder, and a loft space. Great for a study or play area. I love the nooks and crannies of this house. It's magical. There's a second circular stair down, but this loft has an overlook of the recreation room. Part of the appeal of this architectural home on 6 acres is the valley. It rests in this beautiful valley with the creek side, and it's not in a floodplain. I think this acreage is probably some of the most serene and lovely spaces of any houses I've seen this year. I love the natural beauty. This stunning setting combines a sun porch as well as a shade garden. One of the great benefits is this really nice 3.5 car garage. It has good office space as well. Behind the detached oversized garage, there's also a sun garden space for gardeners. Thanks for touring this stunning home at 3555 Ramp Creek. My name is Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors, 812-360-5333.